Hi guys, and here I'm going to be unboxing a Xiaomi S12s Ultra leather case from Xiaomi. This is all exclusive to the Chinese market, and the S12s Ultra, which is probably one of the best phones in the market and money can buy. So let's actually see, is it actually that good? I also just unboxed like 30 seconds ago this one here, the S22 Ultra, and I have another video on that. Definitely check it out. I'm trying to make these unboxing videos as short as possible, so if they're not as short, sorry. So the arrow here, this is Chinese version, going in China. No Google. Okay, black box. Good old days with the cases. Oh Jesus Christ. This is really too big. The phone is actually quite small, but the camera is like okay, and then oh, charger is back in the box. 67 watts. Okay, USB and a cable, and this is orange, the orange inside, which matches with this. Like that. Not as fancy as OnePlus's, but cool. Nothing else in the box. And then here we got paperwork. Okay, so this is a 2-cent thing. And then a case. Free case, transparent case. Seriously. Okay, that's fake leather, but it feels really like real. I like how it's minimalistic and this shiny reflective logo. Let's just put the case on. Okay, so it really sticks out a lot. Do this later. Just do this. Okay, that's cool. I like this inside thing. It's not like fabric or anything, but I like how this is. It's also all in English, which is surprising, which is this only sold in China. Fake leather. The same touch pretty much to the phone. And this doesn't, it also says 1 inch here. And it doesn't say LEICA, it says Xiaomi. It also covers the lens. So it's, okay, this does not go flat on the table. It's so, like, so unflat, I have to say. It's a hard case.